You've heard the saying, never judge a book by its cover. Turns out a lot of us do exactly that. Comes to a degree in English literature. Let's debunk some myths. Myth number 1. Oh, you're studying English literature, you must want to be a teacher. Not necessarily true. Even though teaching is a noble profession, not all literature students dream of being teachers. Myth number 2. Well, if not a teacher, then definitely you want to be a writer. Most students pursue literature studies because they're really interested in reading and writing, not to become the next J.K. Rowling. In fact, J.K. Rowling did not pursue English literature. Myth number 3. It's an easy degree. Though it might seem that a degree in English literature is easy compared to, say, fields like medicine and engineering, there is a lot of depth and complexity in it, so far from easy. Myth number 4. You must adore Shakespeare. While the bard is undoubtedly very significant in the field, a degree in English literature encompasses different timelines and cultures and texts and theories. It's not just about Shakespeare. Myth number 5. You must be a grammar guru. While grammar is important and we do appreciate a well-placed comma, we are not going to be coming to check your texts with a red pen anytime soon, so don't worry. Now, interested in learning more? Follow and share.